Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to decide between Visual Studio Code and PyCharm for your AI-powered workflow, you're looking at the two biggest heavyweights in the industry. Today, I am breaking down exactly which editor offers the best AI experience so you can code faster and smarter. Let's get right to it. Let's start with PyCharm and its built-in JetBrains AI assistant. Because PyCharm is a full-fledged integrated development environment, its AI is incredibly context-aware. It understands your entire Python project, your Django models, and your virtual environments deeply. When you use their AI agent, it doesn't just autocomplete lines. It can handle complex refactoring, generate unit tests, and explain massive chunks of back-end code with pinpoint accuracy. The downside is that PyCharm is a heavier application, and the AI features require a paid JetBrains subscription, which locks you into their specific ecosystem. On the other side, we have Visual Studio Code, which is the undisputed king of flexibility. Instead of one built-in AI, VS Code gives you a massive marketplace of options. You can use the industry-standard GitHub Copilot for lightning-fast inline suggestions, or you can install powerful open-source agents like Clean. Clean is amazing because it acts autonomously. You give it a prompt, and it creates a step-by-step plan to edit multiple files using whatever AI model you prefer, whether it's Claude, GPT, or a local model. Plus, because VS Code is so lightweight, it runs smoothly alongside these tools without bogging down your machine. So, which one is actually the best AI code editor? It completely depends on your development style. If you're a dedicated, pure Python developer working on massive enterprise applications, and you want an AI that understands your specific framework deeply right out of the box, PyCharm with JetBrains AI is the clear winner. However, if you're a full-stack developer jumping between languages, want the absolute cutting edge of AI flexibility, the ability to hot swap between different models, or you work across multiple programming languages, Visual Studio Code is unmatched. If this breakdown helped you figure out your ultimate AI workflow today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know which AI assistant you're using right now, and I will see you in the next one.